My name is Delaula Herunisa.
And I am Teresa Amelia.
Tris, do you remember your face hike up Mount Boutique? I was scrolling through my gallery and found a picture of you sitting on the big rock with the hills and blue sky in the background.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I still have that photo too. We looked so excited, but our smile were so genuine. Della, do you remember we got lost because we followed the sound of water?
Yeah, we thought it's a waterfall, but it turned in you to be just a small stream beside the trail. We spent like 30 minutes wandering around for nothing.
But because of that, we found the cute and shady spot where we needed up having lunch. Remember you pulled out the fried rice wrapped in paper from your backpack?
Totally, and you said it was the best friend rice ever, even though it was cold and kind of sticky, but honest, the vibe made everything taste bitter.
For sure, mountain air really makes a difference. And I remember on the way down from Boutique, the sky was cloudy, but we were still so hyped. We were singing and playing them that song the whole way.
And remember the local woman we met? She was crying at hug basket on her head and a bit turns outside hike the red almost very day to sell corpse. I felt so weak compared to her.
Right, she was incredible. Now, Boutique Panisan. That was a whole different experience. Do you remember when we stayed overnight at the villagers' base camp?
Of course, it's what the fishing that night. Good thing we had the theater comfort weekend with others psychic. One from Bandung and the other from Garut. They had the witcher hiking stories.
And that morning, the sunrise at Panisan. I'll never forget it. The sky looked like a painting shades of gold turning into blue. I was literally speechless.
Sam, it was so quiet to just bird and a soft breeze. When we sat on that lake, I feel like my problems disappeared for a while.
You even said if we could go somewhere like this every month, our mental health would be perfect, and I totally agree.
Yeah, being in the natural really reset everything, especially when I am with you. We always support each other on the trail. Never argued way we got lost, and you always remember me to drink water and rest.
Same here, girl. You're the most patience hiking goodie ever. Remember when I got a leg cramp at Panisan and we had to stop for 50 minutes?
Yeah, and I gave you a candy to cheer you up. Then you said, we really amazing race teams, but the slow version.
Exactly, but honestly, that's the best part. It's not just about reaching the summit, it's everything in between the talks, the silly photo, the snack, and encouragement.
And learning attention too. Sometimes we hike slow, sometimes in rained, sometimes we got lost, but we always made it in the end. That made you closer.
Definitely. I've learned so much about myself through those trips. I realized I'm stronger than I thought, and I've got a friend who always right there beside me.
Oh, now I am getting emotional. But seriously, Tris, we need another trip like that this year. Either back to Mount Butik or Panisan or somewhere new.
Totally. But this time, let's plan it properly, not last minute like we did for Panisan when we packed our bags the night before.
Yes, and don't forget the raincoats. This time, I still remember getting completely soaked on that rainy afternoon.
And you are still smiling even though you are freezing. That's a real hiker spirit right there.
Hehe, as always, as I'm with you, it as always fun. So, shall we start planning? Maybe invite a from more friends too.
Sure, but you're still in charge of logistics, okay? You're the most organized one.
Roger, Ted, and you. Still the roadmaster and break time manager. You always know when it's time. Stop and have a coffee.
Deal, I'm already excited. I'm seriously need a little nature getaway.
I little getaway that leave you versus but fills the soul. Let's do it, partner.
Okay.
Sukses
sampai finish
dari jam
7 start sampai
3.
jam 3.
Keren.
Berapa jam? 2 jam?
Doain semoga
Salah.
tidak campangan ya.
8 jam.
Kaki sampai pegel. Oke, terima kasih. Dadah.
Dah.